PNB has put out its numbers, 1,130 crore rupees. In fact, that is what they have clocked in terms of the overall profitability figure. 1,130 is below what the ET Now poll was suggesting at 1,344 crore rupees. Remember, we will be watching out for a lot of key monitorables also when it comes to PNB with respect to the net interest income margins. Those are likely to be stable, and the asset quality trends as well. Poonam joins in from our research team to throw more light on the numbers. Poonam.
Well, Awan, if you actually look at the numbers in terms of the PAT is certainly below estimates. The PAT is at 1,131 crore, which is below estimates. But look at the NII. The net interest income is clearly in line with the estimates. The net interest income at 3,778 crores is in line what the analysts were expecting, or the ET Now poll had suggested a net interest income of 3,800 crores. So net interest income is in line. Even the operating profit is in line at 2,852 crores, in line with the estimates. But look at the asset quality. The asset quality has improved on a quarter-on-quarter basis. The gross NPA ratio has improved to 4.27% versus the 4.6% quarter-on-quarter. And even in the absolute number, the absolute gross NPA, that's at 13,465. That's 13,400 crore versus around 14,000 crore of gross NPA. So there seems to be a quarter-on-quarter improvement in the gross NPA. The provision cover has improved quarter-on-quarter, and that's the reason we are seeing high level of provisions during this quarter. So if we actually sum it up, at the operating level, the results are good. It seems we do not have the margins figure as of now, but it seems the margins are likely to be stable at 3.5%. The asset quality is improving on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So this surely is a good sign for Punjab National Bank. But do watch out for the slippages number, the recoveries number, as well as the additions to the restructured assets when the management is on air or subsequently. Overall, good numbers on a quarter-on-quarter basis for sure.